Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the Shots of Life kit. This is for the July and August kit. Our Shots of Life comes out every other month and it's geared for the pocket page scrapbooking. So you'll see cut-aparts or 3x4 cards, 4x6 cards some months, and embellishments. This Shots of Life kit also matches and coordinates with our Flavors of the Month kit. So it's a great add-on for that as well. Or you can add on some of the Flavors of the Month to your Shots of Life to make it go further. So even though this is geared for pocket scrapbooking, it is perfect for full 12x12 albums and layouts because the backs of the papers are full 12x12 prints. It's great for your traveler's notebooks, mini albums. The little 4x4 albums are so popular right now. So many ways that you can use this. So as you can see, like I said earlier, there's 3x4 cut aparts. Some of them are bigger. We have some 6x8 papers this month. We have lots of embellishments and some washi tape. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that you get in this month's Shots of Life. First, we're going to look at the patterned paper. And we'll take a look at the papers that coordinate with July's kit first. So this is from Fancy Pants Hometown Summer. This is 6 sheets of the 6x8 paper pad. So these will vary among the kits, but you'll get some of the beautiful patterns. We have this one that's floral. The back is a red and white checked. We have the yellow polka dot and the fireworks, stars, and rows of houses. So you can see this is great for 4th of July, but also all summer long. We have watermelon, green polka dot. I love this red barnwood, and I love the back side of the paper with the little kids and their watermelon and their popsicles and their fireworks. Then we have the red, white, and blue plaid with a blue design, kind of looks like a bandana to me. So that is the Hometown Summer Collection papers. Then from Jen Hatfield, Reaching Out, we have the 3x4 cut apart. I love this collection. I love the colors in it. I love the pink and the peaches and the aqua and that dark navy blue. The back is a text print, which I love text prints. We have a full branding strip with the florals. From Paige Evans' Wonders collection, we have another 3x4 cut apart. This is just full of her gorgeous designs that she is so well known for. The back is this great circular print. So if you're doing a 12x12 layout or something with this, it'd be a great background. It'd also be great cut in half and just using 6 inches of it. And the branding strip is just a piece of the back. So it gives you these little small strips of patterned paper. So be sure to use that as well. And then from Pink Fresh, we had Happy Blooms, which is mostly 3x4 cut aparts, but then we have these that are just a little bit smaller, and then these smaller strips. And of course, this one, like this, you can leave together at 3x4, or you can cut them down into separate pieces. Love it when they give you different sizes like that. So we have some that kind of look like a tag, journaling spots. You could put a photo in here or your journaling. Layer more embellishments up over the top of this or use it for journaling. The back is a butterfly on the aqua. So those are the July papers. Just super gorgeous. And then the papers that coordinate with August is from Doodlebug. We have Cute and Crafty. So this is the 3x4 cut aparts. And I like this because we have some that are landscape, and then we have a few here that are portrait. So if you want to turn them, you have pocket pages that go the other way. You've got some choices. I love Doodlebug's papers because they are so perfect to fussy cut for embellishments. Just super cute. The back is a small floral print. And then from Echo Park Farmers Market, we have another 3x4 cut apart. All of the great farm themed embellishment or icons here. Love this one. That's the flower seeds and the carrot seed packets, radish seeds, cucumbers. It's super cute. The back is a yummy paper. So we have all of these baked treats, cookies and bread and cakes, cinnamon rolls. So cute. Then from Echo Park, Let's Go Camping, another 3x4. All about your outdoor adventure. So even if you're not actually camping, there's lots that you can document with this. Let's get off the grid. Maybe you're hiking, you're going even to the park. That's awesome. Love this background as well. It's a red print and it has all of these icons for the outdoors. So we have a bear that says be brave, camp, the mountains are calling, I must go, let's go exploring. Life is better at the campfire. So if you're having even s'mores in the fire pit, this is a great collection to document that. From Photo Play Paper, we have Snail Mail, which has a couple of 4x6 cut aparts and then 3x4. These are great to make some cards with. They have thanks a bunch, thank you for all you do, that was so sweet of you. And the back has all different words of thank you in different languages. So that's super fun. So one more look at August papers. So for some of the embellishments, starting off with Photo Play Paper Snail Mail, you're going to get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have a yellow scalloped border. We have the little birds, an elephant, some little grass and flowers, snails, lots of things to decorate your projects. Just super cute. And then from Let's Go Camping, you're going to get half a pack of the frames and tags. So they will vary, but this is a good sample of what you'll be getting. Just super cute. Love all the colors and stuff in that collection. From Doodlebugs, Cute and Crafty, you're going to get this awesome little camera doodle pop. Who's with me and loving the doodle pops from Doodlebug Design? This is awesome. So you'll get the camera on that one. From Paige Evans Wonders collection, you're going to get half a pack of the puffy stickers. So they will vary. I got some banners and some hearts, some little shapes like flowers. Super cute. From the Jen Hatfield Reaching Out collection, you're going to get a roll of washi. So again, this will vary. I got a roll of the thinner golden yellow colored washi. So love that color. Okay, from the Farmer's Market from Echo Park, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera pieces from it. So these will vary as well. But lots of fun little phrases. Fresh eggs, shiplap, picket fences, homemade pies, and mason jars. I love that. Farm to table recipe. So again, these will vary, but this is a good representation of some of what you'll be getting. Little banner pieces. Life is short, lick the bowl, a little milk can. So there's that. From Pink Fresh, the Happy Blooms, you're going to get some of the journal bits. So I am in love with these. I had not seen these before. So these are going to vary, but it will be some form of little pockets and little journaling spots. I love this one. So it's a little envelope, has the little string and closure here, and I love that it's a different color on that, and then you just wrap it around to close it. And hide your little journaling away. Love that one. This is another one that I received that's like a little library pocket, a little tag, so you can tuck that in there. And then another little envelope, super cute. Another little card that you could use for journaling or poke a photo in there. So that will fit in there as well. And then I received a pink tag. You could even stick it in there, and then a long piece that has a little phrase, memories together. So you can decorate that on the top of one of them. Just so cute. So that is the embellishments for the Shots of Life. So one more look at everything that you'll receive in your July-August Shots of Life kit. Be sure to check out that Flavors of the Month and the add-ons that are coordinating with it, so you can see more products that would go along with your Shots of Life in case you want to add those on, as well as all the other kits available. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.